Hi, in this video I want to show you best moments of chess 2023. You will see best attack, best move of the year, worst blunder and something else that will be definitely interesting for you. All you need in chess in this year in this video. My name is Pavel Martinov. I welcome you to my YouTube channel and let's see the highlights. Move of the year. Magnus Carlsen played in this position with white color against young Zhishev Duda. And it looks like white have some troubles. The rook on c1 is hanging, and if white wants to go like rook c8, king d7, and take the rook on h8, unfortunately after check here, that is the checkmate because of the weakness on the f2 square. So returning back, what to do, how to save the rook on c1, and how to save our attack. Magnus Carlsen starts with amazing bishop g5. The bishop comes to the free attacks. You can't take with the h pawn because of queen takes h8, winning the situation. You can't take with the queen because after the queen trades, I can still go rook c8, and my next move I'm taking the rook on h8, winning the position as well. In the game, after amazing bishop g5, really the move of the year, knight takes g5. Rook c8, king e7, rook h8, queen e2. Magnus won this game pretty shortly. So this position is already winning for white, and just like in few moves, Magnus Carlsen won. Bishop g5, really a move of the year. Let's go forward. Attack of the year. This game played on the European Chess Club Cup 2023. Daniel Darda played against Shahryar Mamediyarov. Black can basically take the bishop on c5, then take the knight on c4 and save the extra pawn. But Shahryar starts something amazing. He's playing queen h3. Right now he wants to go knight g4 and queen h2 checkmate. It looks like after knight d2 takes, knight g4, knight e3. White fixed everything and the knight's protecting the h2 spot. But Shahryar counted one move forward at least. He played rook f3 in this position. Amazing move. He wants to take the knight on f3 and do the checkmate. If you will capture the rook, then I can capture the pawn, and there's a double attack to the checkmate and to the queen on c2. That's why Daniel played in this position rook e1. Look safety, because if you will take now the knight on f3, then I can just capture your knight. And unfortunately for black, the king's going away with the e2 square. That's why, returning back, Mamediyarov played rook e8, the last rook coming to the game, coming to the attack. And I still want to go rook takes f3 because the e2 spot right now is protected with the rook from e8. White decided to play queen d3, sacrifice the queen. It's basically nothing more to do, but after takes, rooks goes f3, amazing situation. We're sacrificing the next rook on the same field. It's basically so rare idea. And here, Darda resigned immediately. The point of the position that even if you will take like that, I can go queen takes g3 with the soon checkmate. If he will take like rook takes f3 in that situation, then I can still capture. I want to go queen g2 checkmate, takes, check, and I will take pretty everything with check here, and the position is completely winning for black. Such an amazing attack, and black won. Blunder of the year. I basically can find a lot of tactical mistakes of the great players this year, but take a look on the position. Remind something? Is the Dinglieren approach h3 against Nepo in their dramatic match to the chess crown. And basically the blunder of the year I want to underline as a leaked preparation of Dinglieren during the match. Yes, his preparation to the match was leaked during the match and leaked on the internet, and all chess fans saw what Dinglieren tried to prepare against Nepo to this crown match. Really kind of a strange blunder from the team Ding, but finally Dinglieren won the match. Positional misunderstanding of the year. I basically choose the game between Wesley So, who played white, and Vincent Keimer. In this position, white played knight b3. That is a serious positional mistake, honestly. And I was surprised when I saw this from Wesley So, such a strong player. Basically, it was better to return back to a3. The knight definitely needs to be closer to the king, while black wants to relocate the bishop and start an attack at some moment. Right? On the b3, the knight is completely blocked. He's not going anywhere and he is staying really badly here. And one of the main troubles of white in the following situations was this knight. We will see that after like few moves in this game, we see that Kamer position is really dangerous. He played rook f6 and finally he won a game in a very good style. And again, the knight number 3 is doing nothing. So never create a bad piece in your own position just to avoid positional misunderstandings. Performance of the year. I really like to say here about Ramesh Babu Pragnanandha. He qualified to the Candidates Tournament and he played in the final of the World Chess Cup 2023. And during this tournament, he just turned 18, such a young guy, but he played in the final against the Magnus Carlsen. Magnus won the final, but Ramesh Babu showed his really good chess during this tournament. This is the piece of the game between Maxime Lagarde and Ramesh Babu. He played black. In this situation, rook e8, king e2, bishop e6, so he sacrificed the material just to attack. And take a look, he wants to go bishop c4 at some moment. That's why b3 to block it. Rook a goes d8, so just bringing the last rook to the game, controlling the line d, and trying to create some new troubles for white. Takes on e3 because it's hard to handle this pawn on e3. Bishop f6, rook b1, bishop f5. The bishop starts to be wild. Queen f2, an amazing trap that I really like so much. Bishop takes h4. And unfortunately, you can't go queen takes g1 because of bishop g4 checkmate immediately. Such a nice checkmate with the king in the center and full board of the pieces. So was queen takes h4 in the game, takes, and here Maxime decided to sacrifice a queen just to stop an attack. Queen takes d8, but unfortunately, this position is still losing for white. We want to create this hard attack to this king, and the pieces of white are out of the game. Ramesh Babu won this game just like in 10 moves ahead from this position. So nice performance, nice guy, and we will see probably he will win the Candidates Tournament next year. So here are my highlights of this year. Probably you will disagree with some of them. Put the comment below the video. What did I miss and what did you really like from this video? I hope that in new year you will win more games and take more joy from chess. Let's learn chess together. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next year. Good luck.